Hello guys, I'm Vic. Today I have a new update for Electro AI Writer, and it will be about many things that I will tell you in this video. And also the big news is that I have able to generate the content with it that will be not detected by any AI detectors, right? I will also show you that the reports that I have made. Um, okay, so let's start with okay, here are the updates that I will also send you. Big updated now, the content generated by Electro is passed by any AI detector without any editing. Even you don't have to do any editing, and the content will be passed by originality and other tools. Those are in market to detect AI detections, right? So the thing is, my suggestion is that still you have to edit some, I mean, you have to do human touch with your content before updating, uploading it to your website. So it's a best practice that you just give it a human touch. Okay. Also, I have made more changes to make the content more fluent and readable. And also, I've added another feature that I promised in the previous video that you will be able to control how many images AI images you want to add in your software. I mean, in your HTML blog that it will generate by Electro. And also the formatting of whole HTML file is according to those images. For example, if you have selected 5 images, then images will be randomly added in your content. And yeah, images will be randomly added. For now, actually, the thing is the images generated are hosted on online servers, but it is not the best practice. So the next update I will do is actually download and save them in local drive so that it will be in your access as well. So you can use images by uploading them to WordPress websites. Then you will upload this content to your WordPress post. So it will be easy for you to add media there. So sorry. And the next thing is, okay, you remember there were two things in our software which were one was for simple full like blog which was not in HTML format, and one was for short blog. So I have removed those two because there was no purpose for having those two. Uh, So for now, we just have, because whenever I do changes in this module, so I have to replicate them in those modules which were not very, I mean, usable. Like people don't use that. Mostly people use this. Even I use this module to generate HTML based content. So I have removed those two from here. And also, yeah, the number of headings and the number of tags in this settings I have removed some of the values like 1, because with 1 the output was not accurate, and also if you go add more headings like 9 or 10 or 8, again the quality will be compromised. So that's why I have added just 2 to 6 headings and 2 to 6 facts. So it's up to you whichever you want to use. And here you have to select the images like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the images will be generated based on your one prompt. So you have to add a perfect prompt here so that all those 5 or 10, I mean 5 or 2, 3 images will be generated on this prompt. Okay. And one more thing to tell. Okay, I have also improved much things in technically and also the content so that it doesn't repeat the keywords, and it doesn't stuff the keywords in the content as well. So it is a good thing that I am keep updating the software. I am also already working on the next version. So for now, these are just the updates that one user required to do the changes for this one. So I just released it very quickly so that I will be releasing the next version maybe within 1 or 2 days. Okay, and let's just test it now. How to be how to be good in uh, soccer, maybe. I think football is good. And if you need to give keywords for now, let's do it like this. Monkey playing football. Playing football and enjoy. Something like that. Okay, and the block settings. Let's say 3 images for now. Let's say 5, just for the sake of testing. And voice of tune, happy, for example. And I will add more audience here. Now we don't have gaming or player type of audience. Mm, let's select this. Let's run it. Let's see how many images we get and what is the result of those. Uh, oh, okay. Hold on. I think my API is not here. Let me grab my API and then I will. Well, I have my API and I have added it here. For example, for the first time, if you are generating the API from OpenAI, then you just have to add it here. And for the first time, if you want to check if either your API is working or not, you just have to click check and see logs. Okay, when it says this great or OpenAI API key is valid, then it means your API key is working, right? So this is just a demo content, the demo API that I have been using for the development purposes. And also few people were having problems because they don't know about OpenAI or the API key stuff. So all you just have to do is go to the OpenAI website, sign up there, and then just go to your account. There will be the API section. You just have to create one API key and just add it here, right? After that, for the first, if you are creating the OpenAI account for the first time, then it will give you $18 for 3 months. So you can test Electro with that balance. So in future, if you just maximize the generation of content, and if you're using Electro too much, then you just have to add two more bucks in your OpenAI. So it will be very cheap. You will see, you just have to test, and you can see in the OpenAI usage, which will be telling you that how much credits it's using. It is very cheap. Anyway, uh, where were we? For the first time when software loads, you just have to select something and then select it here so that it will come. Mm, how to play football like a pro. A monkey playing football in happy mode. And block settings. Let's see. Uh, for, let's see for 5 for now. Innocent, happy. Maybe professional because we are making this for pros. So it's up to you. Anyway, let's see now what it does. I'm actually improving my HTML generation file a lot, and it will be having all the on-page factors in it. Like in future, I will have all images, all text, and schema markups for everything, and interlinking. Everything I have listed on, and I'm working on that. So the HTML generation will be much better. And when we will cover all the on-page factors, right? So for now, we have a simple HTML generation without interlinks, schema markup, but in future I will have those options because people are asking for them. So I will keep adding stuff. Adding content. This is the version 4. You will get the update when you will open your software. So it is the auto update. Content is generated. Let's see. What is this? Oh, okay, the previous one. How to play football like pro. This is the title, and this is the first image. Okay, let me zoom. Playing football like a professional isn't something that happens overnight, but it is achievable with the right combination of practice and strategy. The content. This is the uh, introduction paragraph, and this is something I have also added after the introduction. I have been playing football like a pro for years, and it's something I'm really good, proud of. Adding something like this will also tell Google that it's human is actually writing. Okay, so I am making it like this. Actually, whole content is actually mixing up things. So introduction, images, titles, headings, everything. Okay, I'm really proud of being good at the beautiful game is hard work, but there are some key things that have helped me come. Okay, the whole paragraph is about me. Okay, with the commitment of and coming up with okay. Images are funny, but it's up to you if you want to use or not. Okay, advanced football strategies for pros. So these are some advanced strategies: practice sprints, weight training, visualization, and imagery techniques. The footballers will know that what are these, but analyzing components, tactics. Okay, becoming pro tips for exercise and to master the game. Okay, actually we have selected two headings. So this is the first, second. Sometimes content will be mixed up, like headings are not, headings are coming up and down, but mostly 70 to 80% is perfect. So like this that we have just generated. This is the first heading, second heading, and its content. And these are the two FAQs. What exercises can I do to become a better football professional? To become a better football professional, you can focus on exercises. Okay. How can strategy and tactics help me become a top tier footballer? Game management, decision making, and problem solving. Okay, this is the conclusion. If you want to play football like a pro, the key. Okay, seems fine. Let's copy this whole content and now let's check it in this detector. I hope it will not be detected. See, no other tool is doing this, that without any editing, without any doing anything, you will get 100% result. in all AI detection tools. Because I have been working on this AI detection for many days because people were actually crazy about how you can bypass AI detection and blah blah. So these are many secret sources that I have done in the soft Electro. So it will generate content which will be not detected by AI. But my suggestion is you still just have to do changes like, okay, I am not logged in here. Do the grammarly mistakes and others rephrasing stuff with this Grammarly account. You just have, if you have pro account, that's also very good. But if you don't have pro, just a free account, it will also give you some errors fixing. So just do them. And also, if you have other tools like Surfer SEO, ZenMate, what was the name of that? WriterZen, Surfer SEO, and Page Optimizer Pro, and other tools like on page AI. So all these tools, if you have any of the tool like phrase as well, you can just put this content there, optimize it a bit more if you have time. If you don't have time, you can just copy and paste. But my suggestion is just you just have to do, even if this it's not detected, but you have to add your own touch. Okay, so this is 100% real. All actually AI detection is depending on how you are generating the content, what's the delays you are doing, because many tools are doing very fast. And so I have done that type of stuff in this, which will be covering this up. And let's don't embarrass me, please. Let's see, because this tool is actually very good in detecting AI. So I hope it doesn't detect my tool, my content as well. Okay, this is a good news. Actually, no plagiarism, no AI detection, 100% original. I'm really happy about this because I have been working on this particular thing because in the previous version, like version 1 and 2, the content that was being generated was 100% AI detected to content. But now you have seen that the content is well uh, written, and also it's like really human have written it, and it's not detected by any AI detector. Okay, so I'm really happy to tell you this. Anyway, this was the demo for version 4, and I have been working on more updates that I have told you already in the video. So stay tuned, and also thank you for giving me feedback and giving me the suggestions that how what kind of features you need. So I will be keep growing this software. And I am also happy that the tool that I was using in the last year, this the same tool I was using for my purpose and my client's purpose, but that was not this advanced. I was just generating random content to just optimize it in Surface SEO and other stuff. So, but now I am happy that I don't have to do too much work. I will have everything here, and I will also you can see these images are actually hosted on some online server, but I will actually download them into the local drive so that you can just upload it to your media in WordPress post, and you will do it, and it will be all good. Okay. Uh, Thank you for watching. Uh, Stay tuned for the next update. Bye bye.